goal of an artist is actually to try to share the concept of immersion. Whoever you are, you can be a writer, and then when you read a book of Umberto Eco or Stendhal or Shakespeare, you are immersed into the story. You can imagine the characters, and then on our day-to-day life, we are immersed by our day-to-day life, and wherever you are, in the city or in the countryside or wherever. And I think that meat is actually symbolizing this idea of digging and exploring the concept of immersion through any kind of form of arts. And for me, when I first met Maria Grazia, I said I found, in a sense, my
Italian Season Preview di Jean-Michel Jarre. Allora, io sono Maria Grazia Mattei, qualcuno mi conosce, altri no. Comunque ho fondato MIT. Carlo, benvenuto. Guadagniamo qualche secondo, Carlo. Qui qualcuno farà una foto storica. Allora, dicevo benvenuti, davvero, ho solo dato il benvenuto, vado veloce perché avrei tantissime cose da dire, ma poi conto anche su un po' the last minute the question time for you, se ci sono delle domande. E allora, siamo qua perché per 3.000 motivi. Intanto siete al MIT, scusami un minuto, MIT è...
And for me, playing Pompeii, for instance, or the Piazza San Marco, is actually paying tribute to the first immersive type of art form. When you are in the middle of an amphitheater such as Pompeii, you are actually dealing with a kind of 360 degrees type of environment. Then you have to deal with this. And the best way to pay tribute to these places are not to play I don't know, an old Greek play, which can be great, but also not to forget that these extraordinary venues, such as the Coliseum or Piazza San Marco, but let's talk about Pompeii for a second. They were absolutely visionary. They were revolutionaries, and they had a kind of